Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Apple Watch Ultra cellular features. This incredible device offers true independence, allowing you to stay connected even when your iPhone is not nearby. Imagine going for a run and still receiving important calls or streaming your favorite playlist directly from your wrist. We will cover everything from activation to daily use, ensuring you get the most out of your powerful new smartwatch. Activating cellular service on your Apple Watch Ultra is a straightforward process. First, make sure your iPhone is running the most current software. You will also need an active cellular plan with a compatible carrier. Simply open the Watch application on your iPhone, tap on the Cellular option, and then follow the easy steps to add your watch to your existing mobile data plan. This usually takes just a few minutes. Once activated, your Apple Watch Ultra becomes incredibly versatile. You can make and receive phone calls, send and receive text messages, and even stream your favorite music or podcasts directly to your wireless headphones. Need directions? Use maps. Want to check the weather? Ask Siri. All these functions work seamlessly, giving you freedom to leave your iPhone behind during workouts, errands, or anytime you prefer a lighter carry. To get the most out of your Apple Watch Ultra's cellular capabilities, remember a few key tips. Cellular usage does consume more power, so be aware of its impact on battery life. You can extend your watch's charge by turning off cellular when you are connected to Wi-Fi or have your iPhone nearby. Also, regularly check your data usage in the Watch app to avoid unexpected overages. Enjoy your newfound freedom.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.